BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi has filed his nomination from Vadodara.
वडोदरा के नागरिकों ने जो भव्य स्वागत किया, सम्मान किया, इसके लिए मैं वडोदरा वासियों का बहुत आभारी हूं। वडोदरा मेरी कर्मभूमि रही है। इसी से 200 कदम दूरी पर ही मैं बहुत वर्षों तक रहता था। आज फिर से एक बार एक जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में मुझे कार्य करने का अवसर मिलेगा। मैंने प्रारंभ किया था सौराष्ट्र की भूमि से, फिर उत्तर गुजरात में गया और अब ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मुझे मध्य गुजरात में आने का मेरी पार्टी ने अवसर दिया है। मेरा जन्म वडनगर में हुआ था। वो गायकवाड़ी स्टेट था। गायकवाड़ स्टेट की एक महान परंपरा रही थी कि वे कन्या शिक्षा पर बल देते थे, जल संचय के लिए बल देते थे और जहां-जहां गायकवाड़ स्टेट था वहां वो लाइब्रेरी अवश्य बनाते थे। और मुझे गायकवाड़ स्टेट की उस विरासत का लाभ मिला है।
Well, Megha Prasad now joins me on the phone line. Megha, this has been a massive show of strength. It was a sea of people, in fact, who greeted Modi as he drove in an open cavalcade to file his nomination. Now, what really is the political message that Modi and the BJP are trying to send out here?
Well, in simple words, if I could tell you, the message political is this, that even if Mr. Modi doesn't bother to come and campaign in the constituency from where he is fighting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, he will still win hands down. That is what the message that they want to send. And in fact, today also, it wasn't, like I was telling a little earlier in the day, that this wasn't a campaign. This was simple, a rally from A point to point B, which is the collector's office, to come and file his nomination. It wasn't that he was going canvassing for himself. It wasn't that he was going asking for vote. It wasn't that he was actually campaigning in the constituency he is standing from. What he was doing, of course, was to carry out a rally, and this at the request, of course, of the local cadres out here. Like we have been reporting, this is a place which is a BJP bastion. So really not much of a moderation for Mr. Narendra Modi as far as campaigning is concerned, or as far as going out and garnering votes for himself is concerned. So what they were doing today was simply trying to send a message across, and this was certainly a show of strength. Taking out a rally from Kirti Stamp to the collector's office, almost 2.5 kilometers, where you could not even walk in that space. That entire stretch was filled with people, and they were not only the BJP cadres, they were not only the supporters of Narendra Modi who would be associated with the party. They were simply people from the city who had come out to cheer him, people who had come to show the solidarity, people who would come to usher him as the candidate of the BJP in the city of Vadodara. So a massive political point, of course, he has sent to his competitors, including Mr. Madhusudan Mistry, that this is probably a lopsided competition, and Mr. Modi is definitely going to win. That's what the BJP believes. That could very well be the outcome as well.
Megha,